Now, when you're pack testing in a pub, you'll obviously come across the drinks fridges. This one, we're quite lucky, is the plug is there. A lot of the time, you've got the plug behind, and obviously, the amount of weight in that fridge, it weighs quite literally a ton. So we're lucky there. So I'll be able to do the visual inspection on the plug and most of the cable, but of course it's not practical to pull the whole of that fridge out. You can't go taking all that drink out yourself. Now if you've got someone who's a bit helpful here and will empty the fridge for you the night before or something, great, and then you can pull the fridge out, but a lot of the time they're balanced on these plinths and things, so it's quite difficult. If you can't inspect the whole of the cable, what I would normally do is just inspect what you can, test it. You can still get an earth reading off of the screws on here, or maybe a bit down the side, and then just put a note on your pack test results saying that you can't inspect the full length of the cable, and you recommend that the fridge is pulled out at some point in the future to test it. But it's not your job to go emptying the drinks out of all the fridges and things, and if they haven't done it for you, or they won't do it for you, there's not really much else you can do.